So if you keep coming across all these videos of people talking about how they make money from their phone or their laptop using Wi-Fi, I'm going to break it down right now for you. So what it comes down to is people are recommending a product, and there's different products that you can recommend. Most of the time, people are usually recommending a course or coaching, or maybe it's something they created, and I'm going to break that down even more for you. So first, as an affiliate marketer, if you choose to be an affiliate marketer, you can literally be an affiliate marketer for anything you want, anything that you're passionate about. So you can be an affiliate marketer for clothing, you can be an affiliate marketer for Amazon, you can be an affiliate marketer for protein powder, you can be an affiliate marketer for Sephora, Target, whatever it is. But I'm here to let you know those are low commission payouts when you're affiliate for this. And that's great, because let's say you're into health and fitness and you love teaching people how to work out, how to eat healthy. Well, you can go and be an affiliate for something like activewear or fitness equipment or protein powder and add that to your business. Because when you are an affiliate for something like protein powder and you sell that protein powder, you're going to need a high volume of sales to make a lot of money. But if you create a coaching program and offer that to clients and coach them one-on-one, you can actually price it at anything you want. Now, as a digital marketer, it's very similar, but the difference is there's different types of digital marketing. You're going to hear things like MRR or RR or PLR. So all of that is just a license. So for example, when you have something that has master resale rights behind it, let's say you're marketing a course, that's what you choose. A lot of people start there. You're marketing a course. Well, that course may have master resale rights. That's all that means, is that you can purchase it and then resell it over and over as many times as you want, and you get 100% of that money, and it goes right into your pocket. Not mine, not Bob's, not Sarah's, yours, okay? Keep it super simple. Resell rights, meaning you can do the same thing, it's just a little different. So with my product that I market, like Lipo Max, it has both master resale rights and resell rights. So that means if somebody pays $4.97 for the master resale rights, they can download the course. Well, why would someone want to download the course? Maybe they're ready to coach. Maybe they've learned all this other stuff about digital marketing and affiliate marketing, and they want to have their own course. They can download that course and take it to whatever platform they want, and they can build a business around it as a coach, or if they want to add something more to it. Now, maybe you're like, wait a minute, Dee, I'm not there yet. I'm just a newbie and I just want to learn because I need to earn some extra money to put in my pocket to help with these bills and gas and everything else that's really expensive out there. So resell rights, you can get the same course, Lipo Max, which is amazing, and you can purchase it for $397. That will give you the opportunity to purchase that course. It's education. You're not going to get the downloads, but if you're a newbie, you don't need the downloads because you need the education, and that's education is going to teach you everything. Guys, it is packed full of so much stuff. There's going to be something in there that really sparks the interest, and you're like, oh my God, I want to be able to do this, so I'm going to take this part of that course and I'm going to become an expert. Maybe that's YouTube, maybe it's Pinterest, maybe it's creating your own product. Guys, did you know you can actually go through that course and you can learn to create your own product by going over to Canva? And maybe, again, I always like to use health and fitness because I love health and fitness. So you can go over to Canva and say, hey, I'm going to create a grocery list, or I'm going to create a meal plan, or I'm going to create an ebook that talks about how you work out and how you can go to the grocery store and buy the right food for meal prepping, whatever that ebook is. And then you can put a price on it, whether it's $37, $47, $97, and then you come here and you make videos about it, and you direct people who are watching your videos, who know you, who like you, who are learning from you. You can direct them to that product and they buy that product, okay? And there's a whole lot that goes into this business. And honestly, guys, that is why Lipo Max is an amazing course, because in order for you to market that product, you're going to need to learn things to do for your business. Like maybe it's building a sales funnel. Maybe you didn't ever, hear of that word, or maybe you don't know how to do that. Lipo Max is going to teach you how to do that. What about email campaigns? Well, you've got to deliver that product. Somehow you've got to keep those your audience, the people that like what you do, you got to keep their attention. So maybe you want to send out an email every month, right? There's different things too that you can have for your business. You may be hearing words like Stand Store, Pinsite, and you're probably like, what does all that mean? This course really breaks everything down. But what it honestly comes down to is find something you're passionate about. Find something that you can talk about for hours, and maybe you create your own product. Maybe you're a newbie and you want to say, hey Dee, I'll take the resale rights because I need to get good at this, and I need to learn how to do this business, and I don't have a product yet, and I want to get everything up and running and start practicing and learning how to do these TikTok videos, learning how to do IG, whatever it is. This course will teach you how to do this. So don't look at this course as actually something that you're going to just grab, right, and turn around and sell it and make a lot of money. Take this course, go through this course, take a couple weeks to go through this course and understand the verbiage. Understand that you have your hands on education that's $397 that can be life-changing for you. Again, you don't have to sell the course. You can literally create some type of product around whatever you're doing. I don't care if it's mindset. I don't care if it's pet. I don't care if it's sports. I don't care if it's health and fitness. Create a digital product that LipoMax is going to show you to do, and then put $10 on it, $20 on it, and you sell it over and over and over. And before you know it, your pockets are going to fill up with a lot of money. This is truly amazing, guys. It is the new year. It's the best time to get up, learn, start taking action, apply those skills. And before you know it, your life is going to look totally different this time next year. So I hope that clarifies everything. If you are interested in LipoMax, because it's absolutely amazing, it's in my Stand Store. Make sure you save this video and follow me, because I'm going to educate you, and I want you guys to know that you can truly, truly change your life if you are looking to get out of your 9-to-5, or if you're looking to retire early. Maybe you just want to go on vacation. So this digital marketing, affiliate marketing can definitely put you on the path of escaping your job and getting you to those vacations.